231 is a gourmet burger chain where you can customize your meats and sauces. It's an authentically New York-style burger, but with a French twist. Before COVID, our customers would come in person, whether to order on site or for takeout. We handle about 2 burgers every 30 seconds. We were faced with various challenges. Long lines during rush hours, the inability to take all orders, especially those by phone, because we were busy with other things. We had a reduced staff, it was more than complicated. We had to make the shift to digital. SoWhat AI is the way for our teams to be more efficient by taking personalized orders from our customers, according to their type, whether they're young people, families, those in a hurry, those not in a hurry, or regulars. Compared to traditional click and collect, which is basically just a catalog on the internet where you're pretty much alone in front of your screen, the order assistant is like having a self-service kiosk right in everyone's phone. SoWhat AI allowed us to be present on other platforms, to have more reach on social networks, and to maintain contact before, during, and after the order. The order assistant allows us to make use of the data we've collected from our customers. This enables us to run marketing campaigns targeted at specific audiences, in particular, sending SMS, sending specific menus, whether it's for works councils, companies, or our local partners. This has led to an increase in our average order value by €2.50 and also a 10% increase in our revenue. In summary, the order assistant is about maintaining the connection despite the distance.